Throughout human history, every culture has shared stories of dragons, monsters of the deep, fire breathers of the mountain, and winged serpents of the sky. But where did these legends begin? Welcome to Dragons, one of Little Ray's premier traveling exhibitions that bridges the gap between ancient folklore and the breathtaking reality of the natural world.
This isn't just a reptile display. This is an immersive narrative. We've curated a collection of living legends that inspired these myths. Your guests will see how the green tree python's rhythmic coils inspired the sky serpents of the east. They'll encounter the gila monster, whose fearsome reputation mirrors the fire-breathing beasts of the west. And they'll stand face to face with the Cuvier's dwarf caiman, a modern-day dragon living right in our midst.
At Little Rays, we believe wonder should be universal. Dragons is our flagship exhibit featuring the Phoebe Project. This initiative redefines accessibility by providing life-sized, scientifically accurate tactile sculptures for every major species in the exhibits. These aren't just touch stations. They're high, detailed models that allow visually impaired guests to grasp the true scale and texture of animals they otherwise would not be able to experience.
We provide a turnkey solution designed to scale from 5,000 to 10,000 square feet. Daily presentations. Our programming is ready to go, featuring interactive animal care talks to drive repeat attendance. Multilingual content. Inclusive signage ensures a broad reach for your local community. Modular design. Whether you are an aquarium, science center, or museum, our team handles the logistics, staffing, training, and installation to ensure a seamless launch.
The results speak for themselves. Recently launched at the Vancouver Aquarium as a marquee temporary exhibit, Dragons has proven to be a major draw for families and school groups alike. It strikes that perfect balance. It's awe-inspiring and educational for schools and deeply immersive for the general public.
The legends are timeless, but this experience is only available for a limited time. Bring the science, the magic, and the mystery of dragons to your institution. Together, let's create an experience your guests will remember long after they leave the Dragon's Lair.